Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Dashdot on Runtipi. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home labs, or installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So, if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So, let's get back to your registered programming. So this is what we'll be installing today. A Dashdot, a simple modern server dashboard, primarily used for small private servers. Um, it's open source. It has a dark mode and light mode. Shows processor, storage, memory, and network. So a little bit about Runtipi. It's a home server management made easy, free and open source. It has 180 popular apps and its marketplace. Don't waste time configuration. It's simple, one click, and easy to use. It makes it to where you don't have to see the Docker Compose. You can see the UI. So we're going to start on Runtipi App Store on GitHub. I'm going to go to Apps, and then I'm going to scroll down to a Dashdot, and then you can see the metadata for the App Store, the description, markdown, the logo, the config.json, name, port, and the way Runtipi works is it runs on traffic. So you're going to go to the Runtipi IP address and then 8173 as the port, and then it's going to proxy into the container, which is on 3001. Available true, exposable true, ID, the Tipi version, the version of the Docker container, and then categories, description, short description, the author, the source, the website, the form fields, and supported architecture of the Docker container. So I'm going to go over to Docker Compose now. So 3.5 of Docker Compose is being used. Set some services, and the service underneath the service is called Dashdot. And then the image is coming off Docker Hub because there's no URL before this. It's going to set a version of 5.2.3 of the Docker tag. A restart and let stop. So if you stop it for no reason, it will not try to restart. But if it fails or any other reason, then it will try to restart. Container name is Dashdot. Give it a privileged. And then ports, dynamic variable to update the port, the 8173. And volumes, sets the root, and then mount host, and then read only. The environment variables, and then the networks, which is Tipi main network, and then the labels for traffic to actual proxy into the container without exposing the container directly. So that's a little bit about the Docker Compose. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now I'm going to start on the dashboard. I'm going to go to App Store, and then I'm going to search for Dashdot, which it came up with just Dash. So I'm going to go into it, and you can see the description that I showed you in the GitHub. And the base info, source code, the author, the port, the version, the architectures, and the website. So I'm going to go install, and then install. What this is doing is pulling down the Docker container, getting extracted, and getting it up with Docker Compose. So you can open it up right here. You can also go into the settings, and you can expose the app. So we got it up and running. So now I'm going to view the UI. So I'm going to go into open right here. I'm going to go to the IP address, and then you can have dark mode and light mode. You can see the OS information, the processor, the storage, the memory, and the network. So you can also show all cores or not. So It gives you some pretty decent information for really quickly, and it's a fancy UI. So I just went over step by step on getting Dashdot running on Runtipi. I showed you about the App Store, about the Docker Compose, and everything like that. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need community support, you can go down to the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.